हे गाइस, वेलकम टू द चैनल लेट्स लर्न मैथ्स। आज हम BSSB के साइंस के पेपर के जो सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड हैं उनके जो क्वेश्चंस हैं उनको बताएंगे। ये हम वीडियो नए जो लोग पेपर देंगे उनके लिए बना रहे हैं ताकि उनको पेपर का जो पैटर्न है वो पता चल सके कि एग्ज़ाम में किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। हम इसमें कोई एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं करेंगे। तो हम अपना सेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं। आप प्लीज़ वीडियो को ध्यान से देखिएगा और पॉज करके अच्छे से क्वेश्चन को समझने की कोशिश कीजिएगा। द एबिलिटी ऑफ अ नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बॉडी टू मेंटेन अ कांस्टेंट इंटरनल एनवायरनमेंट इज नोन एज होम्योस्टैटिस। ऑप्शन थर्ड। इन जेनेटिक कोड द कोडोन AUG कोड्स फॉर विच अमीनो एसिड। ये होता है मिथायोनाइन में। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑर्गेनिज्म इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ होलोजोइक न्यूट्रिशन। अमीबा। The functional impairment of the production of language or speech is known as aphasia. Which of the following statement is false about certain phenomena in plants? Upward growth of plant growth roots is seen in positive geotropism. What is the function of Wernicke's area in human brain? Word interpretation. Which of the following hormone is released only in female human beings? Human chorionic gonadotropin. Which of the following is true about certain modes of asexual reproduction? Regeneration is seen in planaria. Which of the following cranial nerve is the largest in human being? Fifth. Which of the following process helps the green plant to remove excess water from them? Guttation. Which of the following organisms have protein but lack nucleic acids in their genome? Prions. In evolution, which of the following correspond to the current epoch? Holocene. Which of the following gland is devoid of ducts? Thyroid gland. During aerobic respiration, the electron transport takes place in which cell organelle? Mitochondria. Which of the following is a true statement among the following? Sebaceous gland consists of duct. Which of the following mammals have longest gestation period? Elephant. Which of the following vertebrates are essentially eurycotolic? Aves. Which of the following blood vessels supply the blood to the heart muscles? Coronary arteries. Amylin is a hormone secreted by which of the following? Beta cells of isolates of Langerhans of pancreas. What is the normal range of GFR in an adult human being? 90 to 120 mg per ml. Which of the following causes biomagnification in a food chain? DDT. Which of the following harmful radiation is absorbed by ozone layer? UV rays. Sunken stomata and reduced leaf size are the adaptations seen in which plants? Xerophytes. Which of the following is a conventional source of energy? Coal. Which of the following is a nitrogen fixing bacteria? Rhizobium. Which of the following disease is caused due to the poisoning with cadmium? Itai. Which of the following global convention was formed to control the ozone depletion? Montreal Protocol. Which of the following is a secondary consumer in a food chain? Tiger. The unique functional role of each species in an ecosystem is known as ecological Nike. Which of the following is a false statement? Synecology involves the study of individual species. Anthrax disease in cattle occurs due to infection with which organism? Bacteria. Which of the following is known as the edific factor? Soil. The World Environment Day is observed on which date? 5th of June. Which of the following pollutant is a component of acid rain? H2SO4. Which of the following is a major greenhouse gas which contribute to global warming? Carbon dioxide. Which of the following global convention was formed to reduce the greenhouse gas emission? Kyoto Protocol. Minamata disease is caused due to which of the following pollutant? Mercury. Blue revolution is associated with which of the following? Aquaculture. Ozone layer is present in which region of atmosphere? Stratosphere. Bird flu is caused due to which virus? H5N1. Non-iron ore among the following is chalcocite. आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्ट मैच फ्रॉम द गिवन ऑप्शन. इसमें हमें करेक्ट मैच आइडेंटिफाई करना है जो कि सेकंड ऑप्शन में है ZnO + C को जब हम हीट करेंगे तो मिलेगा Zn + Co. स्मेल्टिंग बोलते हैं जिसको. Which of the following electronic configuration of an element does not belong to the same family as others? ऐसा है फोर्थ ऑप्शन में. Ar 3d10 4s2 4p5. Total number of atoms present in CO2 if 1 liter of air contains 0.03% volume of CO2 at STP is. ये होता है 2.4 × 10⁻19. हमें इसका IUPAC नेम निकालना है तो हम इसमें लॉन्ग चेन का यूज़ करके निकालते हैं तो हमारे पास आंसर आएगा 1 ethyl 1 methyl 3 propyl cyclohexane. When a beam of light enters in a dark room, the dust particle in its path become clearly visible. This is due to Tyndall effect. Methane can be prepared by hydrolysis of Grignard reagent. Lewis acid cannot be cations. The age of ancient idol is estimated by uranium-lead method. Balance the equation and determine the coefficient of Mn+2 CO2 and OH negative respectively. हमें इसमें ये जो इक्वेशन दी हुई है हमें इसको बैलेंस करना है और फिर इसके बाद जो इसका प्रोडक्ट मिला है इन सब के अलग अलग हमें कोफिशिएंट्स बताने हैं. तो जब हम इसको बैलेंस करेंगे तो हमारे पास आएगा Mn+2 का आएगा 2, CO2 का आएगा 10 और OH नेगेटिव का आएगा 16. Correct decreasing electron gain enthalpy with negative sign for the elements F, O, S और Cl. फ्लोरीन, ऑक्सीजन, सल्फर और क्लोरीन के लिए हमें डिक्रीजिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी बतानी है तो वो S इस ऑर्डर में होगी. Cl फिर F फिर S और फिर O. ऑप्शन थर्ड. द वैल्यू ऑफ रेडबर्ग कांस्टेंट फॉर हीलियम एटम इज. हीलियम एटम के लिए रेडबर्ग कांस्टेंट की वैल्यू होती है 109677 × 4 सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स. द टाइप ऑफ इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन सल्फेट आयन एंड आयोडीन मॉलिक्यूल इज आयन इंड्यूस्ड डाइपोल. Mendeleev placed the elements copper and Ag along with K and Rb. A solution of 10⁻⁵ NaOH is diluted by 1000 times. The pH of diluted solution would be 7.05. Which among the following is not a disproportionation reaction? ऐसा होगा सेकेंड ऑप्शन में 2Na2S2O3 + I2 प्रोडक्ट बन के आएगा 2NaI + Na2S4O6. Corrosion is a natural, spontaneous electrochemical oxidative deterioration of metal. Maximum number of isomers possible for C2H2Cl2 is 3. The number of sp2 hybridized carbon atoms present in the molecule known 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 4 5 tetraene 7ine R. sp2 इसमें 4 होगा और sp 4 होगा. Which of the following ion does not give conjugate base? ऐसा होता है H2PO2 नेगेटिव में. A convex lens of focal length 30 cm and a concave lens of focal length 5 cm are placed in contact with each other. Find the effective focal length of the combination. 6 cm concave. Important parameter of water for aquatic life is dissolved oxygen. Which of the following option gives the iodoform test? C2H5OH. The refractive index of material of prism is 1.5 and angle of prism is 6 degree. If a light ray passes through this prism, find the angle of deviation produced. 3 degree. The refractive index of a material of gas glass is 1.5. Find the time taken by a light ray to travel 5 meter distance in glass slab. Speed of light in vacuum C equals to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. इसका आंसर आएगा 25 into 10 to the power minus 9 second. The word ceramic stands for burnt material. Two identical bulbs 100 volt 100 watt are connected in series, and across the series combination 100 volt is applied. Find the power dissipated by each bulb. 25 watt. The force acting on a body charges with time as shown. The mass of a body is 2 kg and it starts from rest. Find its velocity at t equals to 10 second. तो इसकी जो वेलोसिटी होगी वो आएगी 25 मीटर पर सेकेंड. A body starts from the rest and acceleration changes with time as shown. Find the time at which the body stops again. हमें इस फिगर को देख करके इसकी हेल्प से हमें इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना है. तो हमारे पास क्या आएगा 4 + 2√3 सेकेंड. A particle starts from rest and moving with uniform acceleration attains velocity 20 meter per second. After traveling some distance, find its velocity at midpoint of the journey distance, 10√2 meter per second. The radius of curvature of a concave mirror is 20 cm. An object is placed at a distance of 15 cm from the mirror. Find the distance between the object and image formed, 15 cm. The velocity of a particle changing with position x as v equals to 2x square plus x meter per second. Find its acceleration at x equals to 0.1 meter. ये आएगा 0.168 meter per second square. Handles of pressure cooker are made of bakelite. Refractive index of a glass slab is √2. A light ray is incident on this glass slab with an angle of incidence 60 degree. Find the angle of deviation of produced 60 degree. In the given circuit, find the effective resistance between A and B. हमें सर्किट डायग्राम को देखना है और इसका इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस निकालना है. तो वो क्या आएगा हमारे पास √5 + 1 divided by 2 ohm. A ball of mass 100 gram hits a wall with a speed of 10 meter per second, normal to the wall, and rebounds normally with a speed of 6 meter per second. The interaction time is 0.1 second. Find the force exerted by ball on the wall, 16 Newton. A wire of length 4 cm is carrying 1 ampere current as shown. Find the magnetic field induction at the point P shown in the figure. तो ये आएगा 4/15 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. In an LCR series circuit, the voltage across inductor, capacitor and resistor are 50 volt, 20 volt and 40 volt respectively. Find the EMF applied across the LCR series combination, 50 volt. Structure of carbon fiber is similar to graphite. A coil of area 20 cm square having 100 turns is placed in a magnetic field which is changing with time as 0.2 Tesla per second. The plane of the coil is perpendicular to the field. Find the EMF induced in the coil. ये आएगा 4 MV. The velocity of sound in air depends on the absolute temperature as V is directly proportional to the t की power x, then x is equals to 1/2. An iceberg of volume 1 meter cube is floating on the surface of water. Density of ice is 0.9 gram per meter cube and density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. Find the mass of the stone that should be placed on the iceberg so that it just sinks completely. इसका आंसर आएगा 100 kg. An open tank is filled with water to a height of 1 meter. Find the pressure at an open tank filled with water to the height of 1 meter. Find the pressure at the bottom of the tank. इसमें कुछ वैल्यूज़ दी हुई हैं. उसके बाद 1 एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर और G डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर. हमारी जो वैल्यू आएगी टोटल निकलने के बाद वो आएगी 1.1 into 10 to the power 5 पास्कल. A man standing at certain distance from a big fort wall fires a bullet and listens to the echo after 2 seconds. Now the man walks 85 meters towards the wall and fires another bullet and listens its echo into आफ्टर 1.5 सेकेंड्स फाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ साउंड इन एयर। ये होगी 340 मीटर पर सेकेंड। A body is projected vertically upward with a velocity u. Find its speed when it is at half of the maximum height. U by root 2. Mass of a circular ring is m and its radius is r. Find the gravitational potential at the center of the ring. ये आएगा -gm upon capital R. 2 point masses m and 4m are separated by a distance d. Find the distance of null point from m. D by 3. The two liquids of densities d1 and d2 are mixed in the equal volume. Find the density of the mixture d1 plus d2 by 2. A shell at rest of mass m explodes into 3 pieces whose masses are in ratio of 1:1:2. The 2 pieces of equal masses move in mutually perpendicular direction each with the speed v. Find the energy released in this process 3 by 8 mv square. A uniform rod of mass m and length l is suspended vertically from a rigid support. The rod is lifted such that it makes an angle 60 degree with vertical. Find the work done in lifting the rod. इसका आंसर आएगा mgl/4। ऑप्शन नंबर सेकंड। हमारा आज का सेशन यहीं पर ख़त्म होता है। आपसे फिर मुलाकात होगी ऐसे ही कुछ क्वेश्चंस के साथ, ताकि आप अपनी अच्छे से तैयारी कर सके पेपर की और आपको पेपर का पैटर्न पता चल सके। हमारा यही मोटिव है इस चैनल का कि आप अच्छे से अच्छी तैयारी कर सके, आपको पेपर का पैटर्न पता चल सके कि आपको पेपर के लिए पढ़ना क्या है। थैंक यू।